Welcome to VM Wealth Money Moves, your weekly roundup of the market movements that matter. On the equity market, on Friday, April 24th, the Bank of Jamaica announced a suspension of dividend payments from deposit-taking institutions. This suspension applies to dividends for 2020 as well as unpaid 2019 dividends. Consequently, on the following Monday, the combined market lost over 10,000 points, 2.84%, due to a fall in the prices of financial institutions such as Sagicor, Scotia, and NCB. The combined index closed at 359,430.95 points on April 29, representing a year-to-date depreciation of 28.9%. On the money market, in last week's 30-day CD, the Bank of Jamaica offered $4 billion. The offer was oversubscribed as 36 bids worth $11.2 billion were placed. The average yield for the successfully allocated bids was 0.74%. On the bond market, economic data released last week displayed the effects the novel coronavirus is having on the economy. For the first quarter of 2020, the Chinese economy shrank by an annualized rate of 6.8% quarter over quarter, while the US economy declined 4.8%. Also, US consumer confidence fell to 86.9 for April from a score of 120 in March. On the other hand, positive news concerning the reopening of the US economy has been reported. A few states in the US have allowed restaurant dining, and officials from New York have noted that the state will begin a phased reopening in May. Also, Gilead Sciences Incorporated, a pharmaceutical company developing a drug for patients with COVID-19, has begun to see success in its trials. As investor sentiment has fluctuated from pessimism to optimism throughout the week, the yield on the benchmark US 10-year Treasury, which moves inversely to price, increased by only 1 basis point to close at 0.63% on April 29th in comparison to the 22nd. On the foreign exchange market, the Jamaican dollar continued to depreciate against its US counterpart as dealers and end users aggressively competed for limited supply. The broker market closed at Jamaican $144.25 to $1 on April 29th, representing a week-over-week depreciation of $2.45. The Bank of Jamaica's weighted average selling rate closed at $143.23 on the 29th, representing a year-to-date depreciation of the Jamaican dollar of $10.66 or 8.04%. Contact your VM Wealth advisor before you make your next money move. Email wealthinfo@myvmgroup.com.